Very quickly, want to simplify the many stages of the investigation and where things are currently at, because this is the United States system, significantly different from the Indian system, so where things are at. Number one, the first stage investigation initiated, obviously that's already been done. The trigger was allegations of bribery and fraudulent practices. The agency involved in this first stage, the FBI, the US Attorney Office, and the Department of Justice's Criminal Division. Then you come to the second stage, which is evidence gathering. This has also been completed. The method is collection of financial records, communication transcripts, and testimonies. The focus in this second stage is identifying improper campaign contributions and potential bribes to government officials in the United States. Number three, the key findings. This is also something that's already been done. A bribery scheme, executives provided millions in campaign contributions in exchange for regulatory favors, is what this says. Concealment tactics, use of anonymous corporate entities to funnel contributions. Then you've got the stage 4, which is the important stage, which is charges filed. This is also now done. Defendants include company executives, including chairman and others. The main charges are conspiracy, wire fraud, bribery, and violations of federal laws. Now we come to stage number 5, which was done today, which is indictments. That's the latest stage that has been completed. Multiple individuals charged, public announcements by federal officials. Finally, number 6, legal proceedings. As you just heard India Today's Nalini Sharma tell us, that's the next stage. We are at the stage just before legal proceedings. Pre-trial, plea bargains considered for cooperating witnesses. The actual trial is where evidence will be presented before a federal jury in the United States. And finally, stage number 7 is the verdict. That happens after the trial. Possible outcomes, conviction or acquittal. Penalties include potential prison sentences and financial penalties. Now let's ask the big questions about where things actually are. These are big questions because much about this story and where it is going is not clear just yet. Why did the Adani Group not disclose to the Securities and Exchange Commission its probe to the SEBI, the SEC probe to the Securities and Exchange Board of India, which is here in India? Number 2, will the Modi government take action through the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy against the Adani Group? Will state governments order individual investigations into these allegations of bribes for solar power contracts, notably Andhra Pradesh? How will the US indictment impact the Adani Group's funding and expansion plans? How will that actually be indicted? These are questions, answers of which are not immediately clear, but hopefully as our coverage continues, we will bring you greater clarity on that.